everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable adaptive sound for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. If you don't know how, you can check video at this channel. Now scroll down, but just a bit. You need to find additional settings and tap on it. No, sorry, not additional settings, I missed. We need to go to the audio effects. Yeah, and right here at the second line we have adaptive sound. Now, to enable it, you need to tap at the slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. We just did it, and this mod automatically tweaks your audio for you, so it always get good sound no matter where you are. And you don't need to set any settings for it, so I recommend it at least try to use this mod. I like it especially. And to disable it, just also tap one time at this slider. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!